Bronco Motors Northwest Michigan edition. Before video. Look up in here. Look up in here. Pretty rusty. Okay, the blasting part of it's done. I'll do a little video here of all the parts I shot before. Kind of hard to tell. I'm shooting into the sun here. There we go, that's better. See, some of the bolts are still orange. It's kind of the nature of the beast. We get a bulk of it. But we've got a black frame again. Most bolt heads are showing. We need to do a side-by-side on these things. Figure something out. See the brakes again, and then up underneath there. We'll get her undercoated in the morning. Notice your sheet metal up here is all nice and clean now. No more of that ugly looking stuff. You get back into here, far cleaner than it was.